My name is Shlomi Ashkenazi, CEO and co-founder of GreenQ. GreenQ provides monitoring and optimization for waste collection. Municipalities and haulers lack real data from the streets about the amount of the waste that is being generated, collected, or miscollected. That causes difficulties with monitoring and controlling the process of collection and planning the right usage for the trucks. GreenQ's technology provides real data from the truck, analyzing it, and then using it in order to optimize and control the waste collection. We gain data about thousands of bins by installing hardware just on one truck. The system provides a simple dashboard to the fleet manager where they can see that everything is okay, that the job is being done, to have alerts if something is wrong, and have recommendation for better future use of the truck. Less trucks on the street means less greenhouse gases, less noise and traffic, and monitoring them better means better quality of service to the residents. Better waste collection contributes to the community's wellness and happiness.